Robert Antoine Pinchon was born July 1, 1886 in Rouen, died January 9, 1943 in Bois-Guillaume. He was a French Post-Impressionist landscape painter of the Rouen School who was born and spent most of his life in France. He was consistent throughout his career in his dedication to painting landscapes en plein air. From the age of 19 he worked in a Fauve style but never deviated into Cubism, and, unlike others, never found that Post-Impressionism did not fulfill his artistic needs. Claude Monet referred to him as a surprising touch in the service of a surprising eye. Among his important works are a series of paintings of the River Seine, mostly around Rouen, and landscapes depicting places in or near Upper Normandy.